Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in, so start by opening Gmail on your desktop or app and scanning the inbox for messages to archive. You want messages removed from the inbox but kept for search. That's why archiving is ideal. Once you've identified a handful or a whole label, select them using the checkbox or tap and hold on mobile. Make sure syncing is on so changes reflect across devices. Now you're ready to take the archive action itself. With messages selected, click the Archive button. It looks like a box with a down arrow, or tap Archive on your phone. You're removing the inbox label, not deleting the mail, so the message stays in all mail and appears in searches. If you want to archive a whole conversation, open it first and choose Archive. This keeps future replies threaded. Once done, make sure to check all mail or search for a sender to verify the archive succeeded and that nothing important was lost. To finish, locate archived messages in all mail or by searching. You can restore any item by selecting it and choosing Move to Inbox so it reappears. If you don't see an archived message, make sure it wasn't filtered or auto-deleted. Check filters and trash next. If sync issues persist, sign out and back in, or clear app cache to resync labels. One key troubleshooting tip: verify your filters, don't skip the inbox, and delete mail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.